Welcome to My Game is Money Investing with your host, Mr. G, the retail trader. Welcome to episode number 20. Thank you. It's a milestone right now, the big 2 but thank you for joining me today for the good, the bad, and the ugly of my portfolio. How the heck am I going to dig myself out of this hole that I'm in? First of all, I mentioned in my intro video to this channel that I was going to be as transparent as possible. It is no secret that I've lost quite a bit of money in this downtrend bear market. I've been as low as 77% down on my initial investment. I am currently 70% down, so I'm kind of digging myself out of the hole that I've created. But not to worry, I've made adjustments along the way, and like I've mentioned in several videos before this, I've added more tools to my arsenal. So I'm going to explain exactly what I've done this past week from July 18th to the 22nd. So I've currently suspended my investment in Carnival Cruise Line, which is ticker symbol CCL. They just they've taken on way too much debt for me to continue to invest in this company in the near term. They've had just recently, I think last Friday, they had a $1.2 million common stock offering. This is typically done when companies are trying to either raise money for acquisition or debt. In this case, they're deep in debt because of the pandemic. So it's a hole that they're also digging themselves out of. So their management team is trying to figure out a way to get back on stable ground and hopefully be profitable in the near future. Of course, debt puts you in a really tough position. No telling how long the dividend is going to be held back, or when it's going to be reinstated. But again, this is tough times for Carnival Cruise Line, and so which is why I chose to pivot and go a different direction, at least in the near term. So I am currently investing in Intel. I am currently invested in NRG. I also am invested in Fryer, JetBlue, Palantir Technology, and Petrobras, which is an oil company from Brazil. The reason why I pivoted and chose these stocks and companies, because some of them are growth and some of them are speculative, but the main position I have is a value stock, which is Intel. It's actually slightly just that value or slightly undervalued currently. Um, right now, there are a couple catalysts that I'm looking forward to. One is the September 1st dividend distribution, and the second main catalyst that I've looked into is a report that came out this past couple weeks as it relates to Nancy Pelosi's husband investing $1 million in NVIDIA, which is a microchip semiconductor producer, same as Intel. So there's many competitions in the semiconductor microchip producer, and I think this is a huge catalyst that once the vote is in for the $52 billion tax credit and subsidies, that Intel is going to be taking full advantage of it. I'm looking for the stock ticker symbol INTC to skyrocket. I'll take my gains and reposition myself. Maybe even buy some Carnival Cruise Line if it meets my criteria and price point. So the other thing is the stock market's gone down, and it's gone up and down for the last couple of months. So it's been very volatile. Our last rally, which happened about 2 weeks ago, the stock market has gone up quite a bit, but I don't believe that it's going to be sustained. So I think that we haven't seen the end of this bear market. Everybody's waiting to hit the bottom. I just think there's too many things in play, too many things that can still happen. Bad news that has not been baked in. But we'll see how it all plays out. I'm hoping for the best, but this is, I think, a golden opportunity for investors and take advantage of the opportunities of these value stocks that are, undervalued, the companies that are undervalued, and what I plan on doing in the next couple of videos is provide value stock analysis and breakdowns to put on your watch list. So again, I'm not a financial advisor, and these videos are for entertainment purposes only. Please hit the like, subscribe, and bell notification. Appreciate your time, and of course, till the next video. Thanks, and have a good one.